I've got Aisha Wade sitting outside of the Chicago wall.
Okay, we're on the record in cause number 325868, the state of Texas versus John Edwin Allen Toops. Mr. Toops, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Toops, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Toops, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Toops?
Good, how are you?
All right, now, Mr. Toops, I have before me a motion to revoke probation.
Yes, sir.
And this motion, in this motion, it states that on June 16 of 2020, you were found guilty for the offense of resisting arrest, search, transportation, and your punishment was assessed at 120 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $700 plus court costs, and that was probated over a period of 18 months. The state, on July 30th of 2020, filed this motion to revoke your probation. And in this motion, there are 7 allegations. Now, Mr. Toops, if your probation is revoked by this court, your punishment could be assessed up to 120 days in Jefferson County Jail.
Yes, sir.
Now, you have a right to, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have 3 options. You may hire an attorney,
Yes, sir.
or number 2, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you.
Yes, sir.
Or number 3, you may represent yourself.
Okay.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so.
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you.
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court.
Yes, sir.
Defendant's choice. Now, you will be provided with a form, and on this form, you will have 5 choices. If your choice is, I want to reset this case to hire an attorney, then you'll put your initials on the first line to the left. If your choice is, I have hired an attorney whose name is, then you put your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to apply for court-appointed counsel, then you'll put your initials on the line to the left. If your choice is, I have a court-appointed attorney whose name is, then you'll put your initials on the fourth line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to waive my right to an attorney and represent myself, then you'll put your initials on the 5th line to the left. And once you finish making your choice,
Yes, sir.
you will sign at the bottom of this document where it says defendant, and you will date today's date, December 4th of 2020. Now, I just received your choice. Now, Mr. Coops,
Yes, sir.
you're requesting that your case be reset to give you time to hire your own attorney. All right, so stand over there on the X by the court coordinator and your case will be reset. How much time do you need?
30 days.
30 days?
Is that good?
Give it 45.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.